my god. Whose idea was this? I don't have the dexterity for this in the morning. Worst wrapping paper ever! What the fuck? Okay, this is what I get for trying to do the most. Gift wrap is kind of like salt. Like salt, you put too much in, you can't take that shit back out. Gift wrap, you cut too much off, you can't put that shit back on. Ugh. Living your life around alarms, an episode by Malia. I have this fucking 3D paper. I like to think that I'm pretty good at wrapping presents, and I can make things look pretty cute. But this shit is fucking 3D and doesn't stick to itself right. Thank God I decided to put more than one present in this bag because I don't want to keep doing this shit, fighting this battle. I don't want battles for breakfast, okay? I want like Frosted Flakes or like Oops All Berries, Captain Crunch or something. I mean, this is for an odd shape. It could be worse. It could be better, but I bought 3D paper. Like, I don't know if you can see. It's like thick. It's thick. Like your boys. Kidding. Okay. I had enough paper to wrap this, whatever's going in this, in the first present. Should have went to the motherfucking dollar store and got like a million feet for $1 on one roll instead of this bullshit 3D paper. I could make bacon cheese tots for breakfast, but I just feel like that's a little too much too soon. Oh man, what are you looking at? Huh? What are you looking at? Don't be telling what I got for Christmas, okay? Don't be telling. I see that smug look on your face, made of gold, Bruno Mars ass, Versace on the floor, unicorn who's gonna tell my business. I need to eat breakfast. I'm going insane. The second wrap present. There will be no third time's the charm because I could only wrap 2 presents. I could literally get in. It's so big. I'm in it. I'm in it. That's what she said, or he said, or whoever said. Whatever your preference is, they in it. Oh, I tore it. Damn it. Can somebody, like, type for me out how to spell bougie the correct way? I saw it on a song title recently, and it was like Boujee, I think. I don't remember if there was a hyphenation. Look at this shit. It's gonna take me all of this just to wrap. Oh, okay. Let me see what I can do. Woo! Throwback Thursday or not. Boom, another one. In the bag. Oh. Dreams do come true. Yum. How much milk can I get in this bowl? Okay, I have to walk.